Welcome to Lumacasa Studio, where timeless design meets everyday living. Today, we're exploring 10 dream homes that quietly prove one beautiful truth: less is always more. These homes aren't defined by grand luxury, but by thoughtful spaces that breathe, comfort, and inspire. Slow down, imagine yourself inside, and discover how simplicity can create the richest feeling of home. Every unforgettable home begins with a peaceful first impression. Clean architectural lines, soft natural stone, warm wood accents, and carefully chosen greenery create an entrance that instantly feels inviting. Instead of filling every corner, allow negative space to frame the beauty of the materials. A restrained color palette makes the exterior timeless, proving that simplicity often leaves the strongest impression. Step inside a living room where every piece has a purpose. Comfortable seating, soft linen fabrics, natural textures, and warm daylight create a peaceful retreat from busy life. Rather than decorating every wall, choose one meaningful artwork or statement piece. Empty space allows your eyes to rest, making the room feel larger, brighter, and emotionally comforting. The heart of the home doesn't need endless cabinets or complicated finishes. Flat panel cabinetry, hidden storage, warm oak shelves, and subtle lighting create a kitchen that feels both functional and elegant. Keeping countertops clear encourages calm while making cooking more enjoyable. A few handcrafted ceramics or fresh herbs add personality without overwhelming the design. Some of life's most meaningful conversations happen around a simple dining table. Natural wood, comfortable chairs, soft pendant lighting, and large windows create an atmosphere where family and friends naturally linger. Instead of elaborate decorations, let beautiful proportions and quality materials become the centerpiece. Simplicity invites connection, allowing every shared meal to feel memorable. Imagine ending each day in a bedroom free from visual noise. Gentle earth tones, layered bedding, warm lighting, and soft curtains create an environment that encourages deep rest. Limiting decorative accessories helps reduce mental clutter while enhancing relaxation. A carefully chosen reading chair or wooden bench adds warmth without sacrificing the room's calming simplicity. A thoughtfully designed bathroom can become your personal sanctuary. Large format stone, floating vanities, frameless glass, and hidden lighting create a clean, tranquil atmosphere. Incorporate natural materials like wood and small plants to soften modern surfaces. By reducing unnecessary decor, every texture becomes more noticeable, transforming ordinary routines into moments of quiet relaxation. Minimalist living doesn't stop at the back door. A cozy patio with comfortable seating, native plants, warm outdoor lighting, and simple landscaping creates an effortless connection with nature. Rather than filling the yard with decorations, leave room for open views and fresh air. Sometimes the greatest luxury is simply having space to slow down and breathe. most beautiful homes aren't filled with more. They're filled with intention. Every color, material, and piece of furniture serves a purpose while supporting comfort and everyday living. Invest in timeless quality instead of temporary trends, and allow natural light to become your greatest design feature. These dream homes remind us that true elegance comes from thoughtful simplicity. As we've explored these dream homes together, one lesson becomes beautifully clear. Less isn't about giving something up. It's about making room for what truly matters. When every space is designed with intention, our homes become calmer, warmer, and more meaningful places to live. If today's journey inspired your next design dream, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Lumacasa Studio, where every home tells a timeless story, one beautiful space at a time.